Hi, good afternoon, my dear student. Last class, you know that already I have started for the set. This set, in that last class, we have remembered one of the greatest person is a German mathematician, Georg Cantor. What says that? He has worked on the trigonometric problems series. Trigonometric problems or series. Like that, you know that on that way, so especially they have mentioned for the relation and functions one of the biggest values. Like that, today I'm going to in front of you, I'm discussing that value, how to representation set and what do you mean by set, where the consider for the set. I hope you know that especially whenever you are going to outside in our daily life, look at that shop, sleeper shop is there, Bengal shop is there, jewelry shop is there, right? Book stall is there, right? So our woodwork shop is there, paint shop is there. So all the things in our daily, they are setting for part wise. When you are going to medical, different it means columns are the boxes are there. In that one, they have only for they consider for the set. I hope when you are going to college, you can take a notebook one set or textbook one set. Like that, it is a generally we are going to consider for the all the things are known as the set. How to define in a mathematics? I hope you know that the point. Point means so exactly it means shows the location. So and you can go to line. So many points are there. Parallel lines, perpendicular lines. Then you are going to take prime numbers, composite numbers, natural numbers. They are different. Real numbers, irrational numbers, rational numbers, complex numbers. All are known as called. It is one of the greatest values to represent for the in a mathematics set. How to say that each and every values. So I hope you know that I'm going to consider some examples representation. Examples. Right? ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾದಂಥ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10 right or you can take less than 20. Second view, vowels right, or you can take consonants, no problems. So Indian rivers, rivers, right? So you can take another one example. What is the example? So you can take different rainbow colors, right? Rainbow colors. So you can take different things. So collections of pictures, right? So all the things. So you have represent. So I'm going to consider first one. Therefore, here that so A is equal to number less than 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 7, 8, and 9, like that. So here the explanation form is there. Here in the form of which form is there? The comma, in flower bird, whatever you are going to take. So you can take second one, a B. Shall I take A, E, I, O, U, right? Vowels. So some Indian rivers. So for example, you can take Kaveri, right? Godavari, right? Ganga, Krishna, right? So on like that. So many things are there. Rainbow, so many colors, right? So here, D, 7. So here that, whatever the 7 colors are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colors are there. So pictures you have collected. So these are the things about. So well defined collection. Collections are very important. Well defined collections of object or things are known as called. They are known as set. Very important. Set represent A, B, C, D, any capital letters. So yes, most important, keep in our mind, you can take any different things. So on this way, we are trying to remember George Coulter in 1918 to 1945. He has expressed a lot of things. On this way, we are going to represent the set, and so many people work on the set. So next class, I will go to defining for some other things. For example, natural number, right? The collections of all the set. The collections of all the set of numbers. So I hope already in the beginning class I can express. By the way, yes, today another we will give that set and another thing. Thank you so much. I will continue the next video.